Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will tell you a simple and interesting story. Listen carefully and try to understand every sentence. Let's begin. A mother goat lived on a hill with her little baby goat, also called a kid. Every day, the mother goat would go out to find food, grass, leaves, and herbs, and return in the evening to feed her baby. One morning, before leaving, she said to her little one, "Dear child, I'm going out to graze. Stay inside the house. Do not open the door for anyone unless you hear my voice. There are many dangerous animals, especially the wicked wolf, who may try to trick you." The little goat nodded and promised. "Don't worry, mother. I won't open the door for anyone but you." The mother goat smiled, kissed her baby, and left. The wicked wolf's plan. Not far from the hill, a clever but wicked wolf was hiding. He had been watching the goat family for many days. He knew that the mother goat left her baby alone during the day. "This is my chance," the wolf thought. "That tender baby goat will be a tasty meal." He waited for the mother to go far away. Then, he crept up to the house and knocked at the door. Knock knock. He cleared his throat and tried to sound like the mother goat. "Open the door, my child," said the wolf sweetly. "It's me, your mother. I've brought fresh leaves for you." But the little goat was clever and careful. He listened closely to the voice. "That doesn't sound like my mother," he said aloud. "Your voice is rough and deep. My mother has a soft voice. You're not her. Go away." The wolf was angry. "Humph," he muttered, and he walked away. The wolf tries again. But the wolf was determined to eat the baby goat. He thought hard and came up with an idea. "I need to change my voice," he said. "Then I can fool the little goat." He went to a blacksmith nearby and said, "Please give me something warm to eat or drink. My throat hurts." The blacksmith gave him warm ash soup. After drinking it, the wolf's voice became softer and lighter. He practiced speaking gently until he sounded like the mother goat. Then he walked back to the goat's house and knocked again. Knock knock. "Open the door, my child," said the wolf in a soft, kind voice. "It's me, your mother. I've brought you sweet grass and fresh herbs." This time, the voice sounded almost like the real mother goat. The baby goat was about to open the door, but just then, he looked under the door and saw two big hairy feet with sharp claws. He cried out, "You may sound like my mother, but I see your big wolf feet. You are not my mother. Go away, you trickster." The wolf growled in anger and ran off again, defeated. The mother returns. That evening, the mother goat came home. The baby goat ran to her and told her everything: the voice, the wolf, and the big claws. The mother goat hugged her child and said, "You were wise and brave. You listened to my words and didn't fall for tricks. I'm so proud of you." From that day on, the wolf never dared come near the goat's house again. Subscribe to the channel for more stories.